Alright guys, in this video I am going to review on Samsung Z Fold 4 5G phone. So hey guys, I'm Ikhtier Ahmed and you are watching ARZONE. So if you are not subscribed yet, please must subscribe this channel and hit the bell icon. So without wasting any more time, let's begin. Okay guys, Samsung Z Fold 4 5G phone. Its display type is foldable dynamic AMOLED 2x, display refresh rate is 120 Hz, and its display size is 7.6 inches. Display resolution is 1812 into 2176 pixels, and its operating system is Android 12L, and its processor is Qualcomm SM8475 Snapdragon 8 Plus Gen 1, and its internal storage is 256 GB, 512 GB, and 1 TB. RAM is 12 GB. Front camera is 4 megapixel wide, 10 megapixel wide. Back camera is 50 megapixel wide, 10 megapixel telephoto, 12 megapixel ultra wide. Battery capacity is 4400 milliampere. Charger, you will find 25-watt charger, 15 watts wireless charger, 4.5 watts reverse wireless charger. Colors are grey, green, phantom black, veggie, and burgundy. So that is the specifications and that is the video. So see you in the next video. Till then, take care and subscribe this channel and hit the bell icon, and like this video, and also share this video to others.